Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Bajaj Rex 500 mixer grinder. This is a 500 watt mixer grinder. There's an image of the product right on the box over here. It comes with 3 jars, as you can see. It comes with 2-in-1 function blade, 1 year of warranty and 500 watts powerful motor, which I mentioned like 5 seconds ago. All the other information are unfortunately obscured by this packing material. I will open this box now and show you what's inside. So this is what you'll find inside the box. So these are all the jars and these are the lids. Let me just show them to you one by one. This is of course the main unit, the mixer grinder, the 500 watt mixer grinder right over here. And okay, so we have a couple of documents. This is basically a warranty information card from Bajaj. And we have a user manual. Okay, 2 more documents. Okay, this is the use and care manual that comes with all the technical specifications are listed over here. And you should read this at least once because a lot of information is over here, as you can see. Quite a lot of information. I need this. Okay, and what is this? Okay, this is the manufacturing information from Bajaj. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box. Let me show you what's inside this packet. So we have 3 jars. This is the liquefying jar, as you can see. So this is the liquefying jar and this is its lid. There you go. It has a dual blade combo inside, as you can see. Not just that, this is the liquidizing jar. Then we have the dry wet grinding jar. This is the one, and this is the lid for this one. I want to put the lids on them. And the final one, this is the smaller jar. This is the chutney jar. This also has this particular blade attachment to it. And this is the lid for this particular chutney jar over here. Let's take a look at the main unit. This is what the main unit looks like. It's made out of plastic, but it's actually pretty solidly built. This houses a 500 watt motor. It's a very powerful motor. The on-off switch is right over here as the speed. Sorry, I'll do this part again. The on-off switch is right over here, and same with all the speed settings. So for using it, it's pretty simple. Just take a jar, whatever jar, say the chutney jar for the time being, and you put it in like this, and then you twist. After twisting it for a certain while, you'll know that it's absolutely securely fit. It's tightly fit over here. And not just that, there's another thing I would like to mention. Underneath, you have 4 suction cups on the feet, so you can actually press it down like so, and this will not move anytime soon. There you go, you have to pull it off. There's also a reset button over here and a vent for the motor. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to attach this cable to a power source, this particular unit. There you go. Here we are. So there we go. So all I have to do is just twist the knob on this end. And there you are. This is basically the manual control when you twist it towards the left. If you want a more steady thing, then you have to twist this knob to the right side, like so. And that's it. Taking out the jar is pretty simple. Just twist and pull, and you're good to go. And this is it. 1 second. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Bajaj Rex 500 mixer grinder. Thank you for watching.